So in problem number 1, we are asked to find the probability that a point will be chosen from the shaded area. So we have a rectangle with a triangle here, and we want to know what are the chances of picking a random point that will be coming from the shaded area. So to do that, we need to find two areas. That is the probability of the shaded area over the total area. Okay, so if we compare the shaded area to the total area, that will give us a decimal, which we can then multiply by 100 in order to turn it into a percentage. Okay, so there's two areas we need to find. The total area. So if we're looking at this picture, the total area is the shape of a rectangle. So the total area is a rectangle, right? That's the shape here that is encompassing the whole entire picture, basically. Rectangle with a 17 by 11. 17, one of these has to be a 17 by 11 size, and 17 times 11 is hopefully 187. Okay, that is the total area. Okay, the next thing we have to do is figure out what the shaded area is. Now the shaded area is the entire rectangle minus this little triangle up here in the corner. So we have to find areas of each of these figures in order to get our desired area. Remember, our desired area is the shaded stuff. So we have to find the area of the shaded stuff. So we know this is 187 minus, so we have to do a little bit of Pythagoras here. I have a hypotenuse of 17, right? This side here is the same as that side there. And I have a leg of 15. So according to Pythagoras, 17 equals 15 squared plus the base squared. And that would tell us that the base is 8 units long. So because it's a triangle, 1/2 of base times height, 1/2 of 8 times 15 means we have a triangle area of 60. I hope I did that right. Which means we have a shaded area of 127. So 127 is the area of the shaded region, and 187 is the entire region. So the probability is 127 divided by 187. The area that we want, which is the shaded area, divided by the entire thing. And if I divide this on my calculator, I get 0.679 as the decimal, which if I times that by 100 is 67.9%. So there is a 67.9% that a point will randomly be chosen that comes from the shaded area of that picture.